That's it, just let it up and down. Don't worry about it.
Oh, green.
Is it green?
Yeah.
Do you want to start to bring it up, Joe, gradually. No, don't rush it. We've got plenty of time.
There we go.
That is a monster roach. That's huge! Jesus! It's enormous! That is the biggest roach we've ever caught. There's my hand. It's beautiful. No, it's about 2, I reckon. Nice one, dude.